Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Sarah Jean G. Aurino. I'm 32 years old and I live in Tiling, Kawayan, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And I am a mother of 3 and I am a Roman Catholic also. My height is 147 centimeters and my weight is 45 kilograms. And I have been work experience in a Chinese family in Manila, the year 2016 to 2018. And they are 3 members of the family, the wife, the husband, and their 7 years old kid. And I do cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, ironing, car washing, and take care of their children and also finish my contract to them. And the last that I have been work experience in a Filipino family in the year 2019 to 2023. And they are 3 members of the family also. And the grandmother, the grandfather, and their grandchildren that is 2 years old baby girl. And I do cleaning the house, cooking, laundry, ironing, gardening, and take care of their grandchildren that is 2 years old baby girl. And also, I take care of their 7 dogs and 2 cats. And I finish the contract to them too. And I have a good and responsible records for them. And when you give me a chance, Mom and Sir, to work with you, I promise I do my best and work and to be a trustworthy workers and finishing my contract to yours. Thank you and God bless us all.